Welcome back to Grapixel. In today's Photoshop beginner tutorial, we are diving into something absolutely essential: layers. Whether you are designing thumbnail, editing a photo, or building a poster, layers are the foundation of every project in Photoshop. So, if you ever open Photoshop and wondered what those little boxes on the side mean, this is the video you've been waiting for. So, what exactly are layers? Think of them like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can draw or place different elements on each sheet: an image, a shape, some text, and you can move them independently without affecting the rest of your design. Layers give you full control over your work. You can hide them, change their order, apply effects to just one part of your project, or delete them entirely without touching anything else. This is the layer panel. Every time you add something new, like a text box or shape, Photoshop on its own layer. Let's break down the most common type of layers you will use as a beginner: image or raster layer. These are your photos or pixel-based graphics. If you drag an image into Photoshop, it lands here. Text layer. Add text with the type tool and it appears as a fully editable layer. Shape layer. The shape tool great for buttons, backgrounds, and icons. Adjustment layers. These apply changes like brightness, contrast, or color correction without permanently changing the image below. Understanding what kind of layers you are working with helps you know how to edit it and what tools you can use. Now let's look at how to actually work with layers. Click the little eye icon to hide or show a layer. Click and drag layers up or down to change which ones appear on the top. Prevent the accidental changes by clicking the lock icon. Select multiple layers and press Ctrl+G. Keep your design tidy and manageable. This is how to group layers. And that's the basic of Photoshop layers. Once you understand layers, Photoshop starts to make a lot more sense. In the next episode, we will take it a step further, learning how to make selections and edit only specific parts of an image. Trust me, super powerful stuff. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one thing you still find confusing about Photoshop layers? I would love to help. Thanks for watching Grapixel, and I'll see you next one.